Hey guys, today is Sunday, December the 5th of 2021. I know my voice sounds like Barry White. These allergies out here are killing me. Anyway, let's hopefully get through this video. You guys could at least understand me. An update on App Harvest. So far, nothing has really happened. This week of November the 8th was very promising. Even October the 28th, you can see the price action, ABC, to the upside, and then it failed and pushed even lower. I still am long. I'm still holding to my positions, though it's frustrating looking at the price action going sideways to even lower as of this week. These last 3 weeks where volume was very negative, not really strong at all, but just bearish. Right now we're at the value area low, which is at 467 on the weekly. And over here on the 3-month, the value area low is $5.08. What's promising here? Looks like the MACD may be about to turn right here, but that remains to be seen. Other than that, the buyers are not showing up, and some of the cycle techniques, not the cycle techniques, other techniques that I've used have not panned out. So I think this was a good opportunity to just showcase that sometimes these theories and techniques don't work out. But one thing I do know, there is going to be a turning point. And when it does happen, in hindsight, you will look back and you will see, oh, okay, this is what happened here. But we haven't seen that. We've gone kind of head fakes, like right here, but nothing. We're below the 20, the 50. And the linear regression is kind of look like it's basing. Even if we could just find a base here and go back and forth, would be great. But so far, level wise, these are the key levels you want to keep an eye on. There's even some low levels even lower here. If it could go lower, 387 of support, 315, and all the way to $1.55. And those are pivots. Can it go down there? Yeah, it can. So I just want to let you know it is very risky. And I'm in, but I believe in it. And we'll see how it plays out. But I just want to show you some key levels in regards to the price action where we are still not looking good. So looking at the cycle analysis on App Harvest, the big cycle that I have is the 303. And you can see that right here, it bottomed out. Cycles are up, but price action has not been following the cycles. It's just doing its thing. Like I've always said, price is king. When it's ready to turn, it's going to turn. And it's going to surprise us. But it's always good to know that at least the cycles, and this is from an first, impulse wave. So logically, it goes down and then it goes up just from the date of birth of this, chart. But you can see that even with that first impulse, cause and effect, it's not following it yet. Or as of now, it's just kind of going sideways, even drifting lower. The dominant cycle, it's 110, and now it's topping out somewhere around December 8th, or maybe around December 18, somewhere around there. When you take that dominant cycle of 110, merge 303, this is the projection, possible, probability with the cycles going up. Has App Harvest been following that? No, it hasn't. It's been drifting sideways to lower. But I wanted to give you an update that now we're coming into a cycle top on the dominant cycle. So, what could happen? Maybe the dominant cycle top is inverted, and maybe from here on December 7th, 8th, maybe starts going up. I don't know. That's just pure speculation of mine. But we will wait until we'll get there. But from there, then the cycle goes down while the composite showing, still up, maybe a possible sideways action here and then continue the uptrend. But so far, AppHarvest hasn't been doing anything besides the negative bias. Looking at our wave count, you can see that we're at a wave 5. And if we were to forecast a possible another wave 5 level, it will be negative $3. So I don't think that's going to happen. But we're on a wave 5, and it's just about a time where the turn is. Stokes here are kind of getting very bottom heavy, using the ellipse. I'm sorry, not the ellipse. Supports of the MOB. You can see that these levels of 482 and 577 will be support. Now we got a new support anchoring from here, which is 415 all the way to 438, and a timing turning point, which would be December 8th, which, funny, coincides with the 110 dominant cycle peaking at the top. So we'll see once we get to the 8th what happens. I'm not going to promise anything. And also the December 24th timing points here. But you can see that it's kind of sideways to drifting. Nothing really excited to say here. Let me see if there's anything else I want to show in this chart. I don't want to make this video too long because there's really not much to say. Besides that, it's just going sideways, down. I think that's it. Here's another chart I wanted to show you. This is the week of 42nd week. I was looking at price and time, and since we hit 42.90 on February the 2nd, looking at the weekly turning points, November 22nd would have been the 42nd weekly bar, price and time, and you can see that right there we broke even lower, and now we're into the 43rd bar, which is the 43rd week. So none of the techniques I've been applying have been working. We've been consolidating here and then just broke down a little lower. Although the MACD has been positive on the weekly, the daily has just been drifting lower. Cycles coming up would be January 18, January 24. And that's about it. But price and time hasn't panned out here either, unless something happens this week and we, have a turnaround, but that remains to be seen. And lastly, this is my master chart. You can see earnings report right here. We had a nice little pop and just kind of became a dud. This is the week of the 23rd or 23rd. And I was looking for a possible change in trend that hasn't happened, and we just kind of been drifting slower. What's promising? There's some divergence here on the RSI, but we have to see price action. We need to see the bulls come in and push it higher. That hasn't happened. I don't know what's going on with the lawsuit, if that's been resolved or that's just kind of been a thorn in our flesh. Squaring the range, this was a key level and we failed it, that $5.45, and now we're just kind of hanging around here. If it was going to push lower, this is another key level, which is $1.28. Hopefully there's a gold out there, but I figure I'll show you using the squaring of the range where this level would be. If there's anything else I want to show you? Let's see. Some planetary lines I have right here. So far, this has been hopeful that it's bouncing off of here and it's just kind of going sideways. If we could at least just hold this line right here and get some good volume coming up, that would be great. But so far, this is what been acting as support. these levels right here. Other than that, I remain still long. I remain long. I'm waiting for the turn, and all I can say is December, January. Let's see how it plays out. But so far, it's not looking too good. But just wanted to show you the things what I'm seeing, and hopefully we have a turnaround. Hopefully this year, definitely next year. Leave your comments on the video and let me know your thoughts. Sorry, my nose is just clogged up like a muffin. Hopefully, I'll get better, make a better video. But I wanted to post this out because I know put this out there. And I know there's a lot of people that have been watching this stock, including myself, and I don't have any really exciting news besides that it's just kind of in no man's land. Leave your comments, leave your thoughts. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on App Harvest using the Hooligan price and time. Analysis.